Get ready to unlock the vault of financial knowledge because we're about to take you on a thrilling journey through financial wisdom, the most interesting facts about finance. From the wild world of high-frequency trading to the mesmerizing billion-dollar art market, we're breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized nuggets of pure financial enlightenment. Ever wondered what your spending habits say about you? We're diving into the psychology of spending, giving you the keys to master your money decisions. And it's not just for the experts. We're dishing out personal finance gems that will empower you at any life stage. Stock market secrets, the revolution of cryptocurrencies, lessons from the Great Depression. We're covering it all, and by the end, you'll be armed with the financial wisdom to conquer any money maze. So buckle up, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to embark on a whirlwind adventure through the world of finance. Don't miss out on our exciting episodes. Hit that subscribe button and let's journey into the heart of financial wisdom together. 1. The origins of money. Our journey begins with the very foundation of finance, money. In ancient times, barter was the primary method of trade, but it had limitations. As societies grew more complex, the need for a standardized medium of exchange led to the emergence of various forms of money, from shells and beads to metal coins. These early currencies laid the groundwork for the modern financial systems we have today. 2. The psychology of spending. Why do we spend the way we do? Delve into the psychology behind consumer behavior, impulse buying, and the factors that influence our financial decisions. Behavioral economics reveals that our spending habits are often irrational, driven by emotions, social pressure, and cognitive biases. Understanding these triggers can help us make more informed choices and develop better financial habits. 3. The secret language of the stock market. The stock market has its own language, filled with unique terminology and symbols. From bull and bear markets to ticker symbols and blue-chip stocks, this jargon reflects the market's dynamics. Traders on the floor communicate through hand signals, a tradition dating back to the pre-digital era. Learning this language is like deciphering a code that reveals the market's current state and future trends. 4. Unconventional investment strategies. Investing isn't limited to stocks and bonds. There's a world of unconventional investment opportunities that have yielded surprising returns. Collectibles like rare stamps, vintage wines, and even comic books have gained immense value over time. These investments require in-depth knowledge and careful research, but they showcase the diversity of options available to savvy investors. 5. The astonishing world of high-frequency trading. Step into the realm of high-frequency trading, where milliseconds make millions. High-frequency traders use advanced algorithms and lightning-fast computers to execute thousands of trades per second. This practice, controversial and highly competitive, highlights the role of technology in reshaping the financial landscape, while also raising questions about market stability and fairness. 6. The billion-dollar art market. Art isn't just about aesthetics, it's a lucrative industry. The art market involves galleries, auction houses, collectors, and investors. Famous artworks have been sold for mind-boggling amounts, making art a high-stakes investment. But navigating this market requires understanding art trends, valuations, and the impact of artists' careers on the value of their creations. 7. Cryptocurrency revolution. Cryptocurrencies are a revolutionary force in finance. Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency, introduced blockchain technology that has since given rise to thousands of other cryptocurrencies. These digital assets have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, offering secure, borderless transactions. The concept of decentralized finance, DeFi, further extends this revolution by creating financial services without intermediaries. 8. The Great Depression's lessons. The Great Depression of the 1930s remains a critical lesson in financial history. Triggered by the 1929 stock market crash, it led to widespread unemployment and economic turmoil. Governments responded with new economic policies, regulations, and social safety nets to prevent such catastrophic events in the future. Understanding the Great Depression's causes and consequences informs our approach to economic stability today. 9. the intricacies of global debt. Global debt is a complex web that ties nations together financially. Countries borrow for various reasons, such as infrastructure development or economic stimulus. However, managing debt is a delicate balance. Excessive debt can lead to economic instability, while responsible borrowing can fund growth. Exploring the largest debtor nations and understanding the factors affecting debt levels helps us comprehend the global financial landscape. 10. Personal finance wisdom for all ages. Financial wisdom is essential for everyone, regardless of age. Learning financial literacy from an early age sets the foundation for a secure future. From teaching kids about saving to planning for retirement and understanding investment vehicles, personal finance skills empower individuals to make informed decisions and achieve their long-term financial goals. And that wraps up our exhilarating ride through the world of financial wisdom. We hope you've enjoyed this eye-opening journey as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the financial waters, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Armed with the insights you've gained today, you're better equipped to navigate the complex landscape of money. We'll continue to explore the latest trends, uncover hidden gems, and decode the ever-evolving world of finance in upcoming episodes. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends, family, and anyone who's ready to level up their financial game. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the next dose of financial enlightenment.